Hello everyone, today I will share with you makeup news about Armani Beauty. Armani Beauty introducing Dolci Blush Smoothing Cream to Powder Soft Matte Balm. A long-lasting hybrid cream to powder blush that melts into skin, smooths imperfections, and delivers a soft matte finish. A versatile texture that blends seamlessly over liquid cream and powder for an even application with no greasy feel. The buildable, non-cakey formula smooths imperfections and stays vibrant all day, perfect for multi-use layering. Price is $38 each, available in 5 shades. Shades are Shade 1, Rose Blush, Cool Bright Pink. Shade 2, Caramel Blush, Warm Nude. Shade 3, Apricot Blush, Warm Bright Coral. Shade 4, Cinnamon Blush, Neutral Brick Brown. Shade 5, Mauve Blush, Neutral Pink Mauve. These new blushes available now on their website. If you like today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more. Thank you for watching. Bye.